Unlocking the graphics settings in Valorant can enhance your gaming experience by allowing you to customize the visuals according to your preferences. Follow these steps to adjust your graphics settings effectively. Step 1. Access the game settings. Launch Valorant and navigate to the main menu. Click on the gear icon located in the top right corner to open the settings menu. Step 2. Select the video tab. In the settings menu, find and click on the video tab. This section contains all the graphics settings that you can modify to improve performance or visual quality. Step 3. Adjust graphics quality. Within the video tab, look for the graphics quality section. Here, you can choose between different presets such as low, medium, high, or custom. Select the option that best suits your system's capabilities and your personal preferences. Step 4. Customize individual settings. If you selected custom, you can individually adjust settings like texture quality, material quality, and anti-aliasing. Tweak these options to find the right balance between performance and visual fidelity. Step 5. Save and apply changes. After making your adjustments, make sure to click the apply button to save your changes. You may need to restart the game for some settings to take effect fully. By following these steps, you can unlock and customize the graphics settings in Valorant to enhance your gameplay experience. Enjoy your time in the game.